Setting up the Mavic Air isn't hard if you've used a DJI drone before. If you haven't, you'll need to install the DJI Go 4 app on your phone, available for Android or iOS, and then follow the steps on screen to connect to the drone, either directly via Wi-Fi or by linking to the controller. Once set up, flying the drone is smooth as butter. And it's fast, or at least feels that way because of its diminutive size. In sport mode, this pocket rocket can reach a maximum speed of 68.4 km per hour, or 40 miles per hour at such speeds. However, if the camera is facing sideways, you will capture the front propeller swing, which may not necessarily be what you want in your video. That said, this isn't a problem unless you're pushing the drone to its top speed. Everyone, however, will experience the fact that the air is loud compared to the much more expensive Mavic Pro Platinum with low-noise propellers. You'll actually hear it before you see it when it's just a small drone body in the distant sky. Novices don't need to worry too much about the drone zipping around, either. The Mavic Air is harder to crash thanks to its 7-camera vision system and 3-direction environmental sensing.